How to apply for Walmart jobs online. Let's get started. First up, navigate to this one website, careers.walmart.com. Once you're on this page, here you're gonna find different options to search for the job. Firstly, you can use keyword or a job title to search for the specific job, or else you can use these tabs given over here: stores and clubs, corporate, or healthcare. Select the area of your interest. So I'm gonna select corporate. Under that as well, you're gonna find different topics such as accounting and finance, asset protection, aviation and travel, and many more. Select the area of your interest, then click on see all openings. With that, you're gonna find all the related jobs you were searching for. Select the one that you wanna apply for, or also you can apply with the filters. You can select brand, employment type, and the salary rate. Once you do that, you can click on apply filters. And on the basis of the filter you have applied, you're gonna get the job results. Now select the one that you are looking for. So I have selected cashier. With that, you're gonna find all the vacancies available right now. Click on the one you wanna apply for. Now click on apply and go through the process, provide all of your details. And you have just applied for this specific job. So this way you can apply for Walmart jobs online. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.